Good morning, I'm Janae Tibshirani with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. Here's my wrap of what's happened around the world over the weekend, with breaking news of the US upping the ante against North Korea. The US Defence Secretary is vowing to launch a massive military response to any threat from North Korea against the US or its allies. Making a statement outside the White House, he says the US isn't looking to total annihilation of the rogue state, but has many options to do so. The call comes further to North Korea yesterday conducting its sixth and most powerful nuclear test. In a dig at China, US President Donald Trump has threatened to cut off trade with any country that does business with North Korea. He has also had a go at South Korea for taking a more conciliatory approach towards its neighbour. Meanwhile, Chinese President Xi Jinping is cozying up to his Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin. Having met over the weekend, the pair have committed to enhancing military cooperation in view of denuclearising the peninsula. The latest non-farm payrolls report shows the US jobs market cooled off a touch in August. At 156,000, slightly less jobs were created last month than expected. Meanwhile, the unemployment rate ticked up a little to 4.4%. Average hourly earnings were up 0.1% month on month. Despite underwhelming markets, there isn't much concern about the report. ANZ economists suggest slower employment growth could be a sign of workers becoming harder to find. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield has risen 4 basis points since Friday to 2.17%. The price of crude oil is up a notch at just over $47 a barrel, while the Brent benchmark is at $53. Gold has jumped to $1,324 an ounce. An ongoing rally in metal prices has helped propel the Australian dollar. In fact, the New Zealand Aussie dollar blasted down through the 0.9 mark at the end of the week, falling to its lowest level since April last year. The New Zealand dollar is also weaker at 71.4 US cents and 60.1 euro cents. The TWI index is down to 73.7. I'm Janae Tibshirani, and that was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.